Good morning, one and all. On behalf of Sarhad School, I, Mrs. Nikki Shweta, welcome you all on the occasion of World Environment Day 2020. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year. It is the initiative which is taken by United Nations for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. The first session of World Environment Day held on 1974. World Environment Day has grown to become a global platform with participation from over 143 countries annually. Every year, United Nations has decided a theme for the World Environment Day. The theme for year 2020 is Celebrate Biodiversity and will be hosted in Colombia in partnership with Germany. Here in this picture I have shown you about the biodiversity. Let me explain what is the meaning of biodiversity and why do we need to conserve biodiversity. So, biological diversity or biodiversity is the scientific term for all the living variety on the earth. See, you can see there are many varieties of living being, as for examples insects, plants, animals, they are present on the earth. So they all consist of biodiversity. Everywhere on the planet, species live together and depend on one another. Every living thing, including man, is involved in these complex networks of interdependent relationships. Healthy ecosystems clean our water, purify our air, maintain our soil, regulate the climate, recycle nutrients, and provide us with food. They provide raw material and resources for medicines and other purposes also. They are at the foundation of all civilization and sustain our economics. It's that simple, we could not live without them. Some of the threats of biodiversity is overpopulation, deforestation, increase in pollution, urbanization, industrialization, and global warming. Ways to conserve biodiversity: plant local flowers, fruits, and vegetables, protect natural habitats, conserve your water uses, reduce, reuse, and recycle, purchase energy efficient electronics and computers, educate yourself and those around you. It's not yours, not mine, it's ours, so protect your mother who nourishes you. Now, for today, we all take a place to protect our environment. Kindly follow the place behind me. I, being a responsible human being, will do my best to protect my environment and fellow human beings. In this endeavor, it is my duty to protect Earth and its natural resources. I will adopt practices that help the environment and minimize the wastage of natural resources. I pledge to spread the message of protection of environment further and create awareness in my fellow human being. We all should show the concern towards the environment not only for today, we should follow it for every day in our heart. Thank you and best wishes for the World Environment Day again.